Hey guys, thanks for clicking. Today we're going to do a quick little, not really excavating, but we're going to take our landscape rake and we're going to kind of clear an area that we worked on yesterday that we weren't prepared for because it was a brush cleanup turned into a little excavating job. But now we're going to run the landscape rake and try to smooth this area out so the gentleman can get it prepped for seeding and just wants to maintain. It's not really looking for a super lawn here, just kind of wants to do it as minimal as possible and get it so he can have it mowed weekly to maintain those weeds. Let's check it out. So we got the machine set up, we got the bucket and we have the rake on here, so it should be pretty good. It's kind of a rough area. We spent a lot of hours on it yesterday smoothing it out and trying to get most of the big rocks out of here. Rocks and steel bars and huge stumps, and it's not too bad. So I think with the rake we should be somewhat successful. Let's get started and see what we can do here. Got a couple rocks on the side. I don't know if we can get how close we can get. It was really soft. The dirt was really soft on the edge over there, and then, you know, being on an angle and sinking is that's a bad combination. So we'll try to avoid getting stuck in there, and let's give it a go. Ran over some chain link fence, started to get wrapped around the wheels. Just another obstacle on this job. I was able to get the chain link fence out before it got tied up and made a big mess. So luckily that worked out. right, so there is no shortness of rocks and bricks and all kinds of funky stuff in here. We keep finding all kinds of them, but we got it somewhat smoothed out. I think I'm gonna try to go through now and try to pick up a lot of these rocks and see. It's pretty soft, so I think I can move a lot of this by hand. I hate to do that, but I'm gonna give it a try and see if we can kind of smooth it out. Like I said, we're not really going crazy here. We just want to get it smoothed out so it's maintainable and we don't get this crazy overgrowth again. That's the plan. So let's bust out a rake and see what we can do. There it is. It's a hot one. It's Labor Day weekend. We got this thing all smoothed out and looking pretty good. One more view from the top. Like I said, it's all smoothed out, definitely ready to seed, and that will be easily able to maintain. This is a clip of before we started the job. We actually started it as a brush cleanup and it turned into a little bit more than that, but as you can see, it was really, really overgrown. So it was a pretty dramatic change. These jobs are fun sometimes just for that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We really, really appreciate that. You have a great weekend. Peace. Thank you.